Hello YouTubers, making this video. This is my second video about cranks but no start. I actually figured out what the problem was. It was the ECM that went bad. If y'all remember before in my first video, I wasn't getting an engine light, so now when I turn on the ignition I get the check engine light on. So tells me all that. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to crank it like that. I'm not ready to start it. Well, yeah, there it is. The ECM is on the passenger side. You got to remove the glove box and the little side kick panel. And you'll see your ECM right there. I figured out what my problem was I had replaced the antenna a long time ago, and I thought it was when I had the windshield replaced that I was getting a water leak. But actually it wasn't the windshield, it was the antenna hole. When I was running the cable through, it has like a rubber, like a grommet that goes through the side panel, and that grommet was missing. I actually didn't put it back, and so when it rains real hard, that water will get down in there, and it got inside here. But when I went to check it, there was no sign of water, and there was no sign of any water damage to my old ECM. I even took it apart. Let's see, here it is. Here's my old ECM. But I took it apart and didn't see like really any kind of sign of water going through it, or I didn't see anything wrong with the circuit board. I didn't see no shorts. I didn't smell anything. I mean, all the pins looked okay. But yeah, the ECM just went dead. So yeah, that the ECM fixed my problem. I did replace, let me go around to the side real quick. Go over here. I did replace the igniter, and then this is the Toyota coil, and I also bought a brand new coil from AutoZone, but I'd rather have OEM on here. But I did replace the igniter and the ECM, so it fixed my problem. Let's see. Over here for a second. Just show y'all real quick. So here it is. See, now I got a check engine light, and there it goes. It's running. It's running fine now. I knew that was I had an idea that was my problem. But yeah, it runs great. Engine lights on. But I just wanted to share this video with y'all, so if you ever come across that and you see that the engine light is off, that means start checking your ECM relay, check your ECM fuse, check any fuses that results to the ECM, check your open relay that's on the passenger side, right above the ECM. It's kind of tucked away. Always check that one. And then right above it you have two other relays, and I think you have 2 other fuses inside, and then also sometimes on the Toyotas you'll have another open relay under this panel, and then of course, you know, on the left hand side kick panel you have relays and fuses in there. So yeah, always check them. And oh yeah, and I was going to tell you about the open relay right there, if you see it above the ECM. Also, if that ever goes bad, that will affect your fuel pump. So just remember that. So if for some reason, you know your fuel pump's good, but you're not getting any power to it, always go and check that open relay. And also I wanted to let y'all know it's pretty pricey. Yeah, it's almost like almost 140 bucks for that relay. It's pretty expensive, but you can find it on eBay for a really good deal. And same thing I did on with the ECM. I found the ECM, same numbers, everything matched, and I got a really good deal on my ECM off of eBay. So well, I want to thank y'all for watching my video, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button, and I hope this video helps someone on their 4Runner. And thank you for watching. Goodbye now.